If your business is in need of workers, what can you do? So this one article brought up I guess it was some surveys that were done, and found that workers right now are looking for childcare, right? Where can they send their kids that'll be safe? Because especially as companies want to bring their employees back under one roof, et cetera, et cetera. Where can those kids go? It's one of the real aspects of, or great aspects of being, well, great and blessing and a curse to working from home and being there, and having your children present and watching them. So this article talks about, I think that in this video, oh yeah, they talked they had the chart up here. So childcare is unaffordable. All parents agree, 44%, and working parents 39% agree that it is very expensive. Childcare is very expensive. It is not cheap. Now, my thought process to this is, if you're having trouble, depending on where you're at, and you're able to maybe bring other businesses in your building, in your wherever you're located, right? If like like a a facility, what was it, like a park? I can't think of it. Like an industrial park or a commercial park, or an office park where you have lots of different offices. Maybe that's an opportunity for you to pull the resources with a bunch of the other neighboring businesses and get some childcare together. Obviously, it's going to be a lot for one company to take on, and if you're a small to medium business, that might not work out, or you might only have a couple of people that have children that their concern is getting that childcare, right? So I think the opportunity there is to like think outside the box. If you're really having trouble getting people to come and work for you, try to get yourself a bunch of other businesses, pull the money together, pull the kids together, so that you have enough kids to make it worth, hiring childcare and dedicating a space to it, and doing some investment for it. So or offer it as an incentive to pay a portion of the bill for childcare, something to that effect. Because when you talk about money and things like that, it's just like one more benefit that you can add to the package of things that you offer and can get done for your team. So I would absolutely look at, if this is a problem on your end, if you feel, or you talk to people like, hey, I'd love to come back to work, but like I can't send my kid to school right now, depending on where you're at. This might be an opportunity for you to say, like, let's jump into action. Let's get you some money to get them into to professional childcare, or build our own childcare solution with some other businesses in our community here.